Hello, my beautiful learners. Welcome back to Listen and Learn, the place where English becomes easy, natural, and fun. Now, tell me, have you ever wondered what your English level is? Maybe you can speak a little English, but don't know whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner. Or maybe you've studied English for years, but you're still not sure how good you really are. Don't worry, because in this video, we're going to explore how many levels of English there are, and more importantly, how to find out which level you are right now. Stay with me till the end because I'll also give you a bonus tip to help you improve your level faster. Let's get started. Why knowing your level is important. Before we talk about the levels, let's understand something important. Why do you even need to know your level? You see, learning English is like going on a journey. If you don't know where you are, it's hard to plan where to go next. For example, imagine you're traveling to a new city. If you don't know your starting point, how will you find your way? The same goes for English. Knowing your level helps you choose the right books or courses, practice with the right materials, and set clear goals for your improvement. So, yes, it's not just a number, it's the map of your English learning journey. The 6 main levels of English, CEFR system. Now let's talk about the 6 main levels of English based on the CEFR, the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. This system is used all over the world to measure how well someone knows a language. Let's break them down clearly and simply. A1, beginner level. At this level, you know a few words and phrases. You can say things like, "My name is Sarah." "I am from America." "I like football." You can understand some very simple questions if people speak slowly. But long conversations? Not yet. If you're at this level, don't worry. It's the starting point of your English journey. A2, elementary level. Now you can speak a little more. You can talk about everyday topics, your family, your hobbies, your job, your favorite food. For example, I live in Kyrgyzstan now. I like watching English movies. I can speak a little English. You understand when people speak slowly and clearly. You can manage basic conversations in daily life, like in a shop, restaurant, or with friends. B1, intermediate level. This is a very exciting stage. You can describe experiences, feelings, and plans. You can talk about your goals and express opinions. For example, "I think
Learning English is very important for my future. Last week, I traveled to Cox's Bazar and it was amazing. You can understand main ideas from movies, news, or YouTube videos. But sometimes you still need subtitles or explanations. At this level, your English is strong enough for travel, study, and social media communication. B2, Upper Intermediate Level. You can now speak with confidence. You can understand most conversations, even if people speak fast. You can join discussions, explain your opinions, and even make jokes in English. For example, I believe practicing English daily is more effective than studying grammar all day. At this level, your English starts to sound more natural and fluent. You still make mistakes, but people easily understand you. C1, Advanced Level. Now your English is strong and flexible. You can talk about complex ideas, use idioms, and express emotions naturally. You understand movies, podcasts, and books without much help. Your vocabulary is rich, and you can adjust your tone depending on the situation, formal or casual. If you reach this level, you can study or work in English without difficulty. C2, Proficient Level. This is the top level, native-like. You can understand almost everything you hear or read. You can express yourself perfectly, clearly, and naturally. It's like English has become part of your personality. Only a few learners reach this level, but remember, it's not impossible. How to know which level you are? Now comes the main question. How do I know which level I am? Let's look at 3 simple and effective ways. Take an online English level test. You can easily check your level online for free. Here are 2 popular websites: Cambridge English Test, British Council English Test. They'll ask you 15 to 25 questions on grammar, vocabulary, and comprehension. When you finish, they'll tell you your level instantly: A1, A2, B1, and so on. This is a quick and accurate way to know your level. Self-check by skills. Ask yourself some simple questions. Can I introduce myself easily? Can I describe my day, hobbies, or plans? Can I understand English videos or songs? Can I write short paragraphs or essays in English? If your answer is yes to the first few questions, you're A1 or A2. Yes to most questions, you're B1 or B2. Yes to all questions, you're C1 or C2. This method helps you reflect on your real-life English skills. Ask for feedback. Sometimes you can't judge your level alone, so ask someone who knows English well, a teacher, a native speaker, or even me. You can record yourself speaking or send a short paragraph and ask for honest feedback. This gives you a clear picture of your strengths and weaknesses. Knowing your level is just the first step. The real goal is to move forward from A1 to A2, from B1 to B2, and so on. Here are a few powerful tips to help you improve faster. Practice English daily. Even 10 minutes is better than nothing. Watch English videos with subtitles first, then without. Speak out loud. Don't just read silently. Learn 5 new words every day and use them in sentences. Think in English. Try to describe your day or feelings in English. Remember, small steps lead to big success. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. If you're watching this video, that already means you're serious about improving. And trust me, every learner, including me, started from zero. You don't have to compare yourself with anyone. You just need to compare yourself with who you were yesterday. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking. Because English is not just a subject, it's a skill, a key that can open the doors to your dreams. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like this video, comment your English level below, and subscribe to listen and learn. Also, let me know if you want a level test video next, where I'll help you find your level step by step. Let's learn, grow, and shine together.